change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet.
Greetings. So I thought I'd do a quick room tour from Newport Bay, room 3122. Come on in. Right, when you first come in, you have this lovely full-length mirror, and we're gonna head over here. You got the bathroom sink. It's single with one little thing of soap, Disneyland Paris, and 2 plastic cups. I guess this is the European hairdryer. I'm not sure. We'll find out. And then I'm excited to find they have washcloths, because I've heard in some European rooms here at Disneyland Paris they do not have washcloths. So I did bring extras, but I'm so excited to see they have those, so I don't have to use mine. All right, let's go into storage. We have all that space and cupboards in there, Kleenex right here. And up here you have storage space, hanger with an iron, and a bench. Excuse all our luggage, it just arrived to the room, with a safe. You walk in the bathroom, pretty tile, got towels up there. You have a bath in our room with that. And then it's the half glass right there, and a bench in the toilet with storage up there. Then we're gonna walk out. All right, you have one bed here, and then another bed right here. And look at the little details. How cute is that? And there's the lights. And how adorable are the little portholes with Goofy and Pluto and Donald Duck and Mickey Mouse. And on here you have your telephone and remote, storage, and maybe a plug behind there, we're not sure. There's the other bed on here. Unfortunately, I don't think this is storage. That'd be very nice if it were. But I believe these drawers are. A cute little seat. Once again, fake. But you do have this chair and vanity area, which is adorable. Very nautical. And let's see what our view is. Oh, that is bright. So, if you can tell, it's a Disney Studios and some of the area for Run Disney this weekend. So, and then there's some of the hotel down there. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and click subscribe. See you next time. Bye.